Today's masterclass is all about conquering those DAX functions and becoming a counting champion. We'll be mastering the amazing AVERAGEX, the ever-reliable Count, and its crew of helpers, CountA, CountBlank, and CountRows. Buckle up, because we're about to transform your data analysis skills from meh to yeah. Let's practice these functions together and put your new skills to the test. Let's dive in. Alright, imagine you need to calculate the total sales for January, but with a twist. Let's say you want to give a sweet 10% discount to everyone. How do we tackle that? Well, this is where the magic of SUMX, remember that from the last video, comes in, combined with a little math. This formula will take us on a journey through January sales in our Sheet 1, apply that 10% discount to each value, and then add it all up for a grand discounted total. Pretty cool, right? This formula iterates through the January column in the Sheet 1, multiplies each value by 0.9, the discount, and then sums them up for a grand total with the discount applied. This formula iterates through the January column in the Sheet 1, multiplies each value by 0.9, the discount, and then sums them up for a grand total with the discount applied. Now, let's say you want to see the average sale for January 2024. No problem. We can use our friend AVERAGEX to do the heavy lifting. It'll take a look at January sales and give us a nice When it comes to counting things in Power BI, DAX offers a whole team of functions at our disposal. Today, we'll meet CountA, CountBlank, and CountRows. Let's see what each of them brings to the table. Count counts the number of values in a column. This is your go-to guy for counting all the values in a column, no matter what. CountA counts non-blank values in a column. CountBlank, the opposite of CountA, this function reveals the number of blank spaces hiding in your data. CountRows, this powerhouse simply counts all the rows in your table from top to bottom. These functions help you get different counts based on your needs. See? With these counting functions, you can get all sorts of insights from your data, depending on what you need. Pretty cool, right? You are ready to unleash your inner data counting championship. Subscribe, share, and leave comments with your data counting questions. Ready for more? Stay tuned for the next DAX videos with even tougher challenges. Let's see if you can conquer them.